Today we are making this garlic butter salmon, crispy on the outside, tender and flaky on the inside, and coated in a rich buttery garlic sauce. This recipe is quick, easy, and packed with flavor, perfect for a busy weeknight or a special dinner at home. With just a few simple ingredients, you will have a restaurant quality salmon dish on the table ready in under 15 minutes. Hi everyone, I'm Bori. If you're new here, welcome. The best way to support this new channel is by hitting the subscribe button. It only takes a second, but makes a huge difference. Thanks a million. Now let's fire up the stove and start cooking. While heating the skillet, we are going to season this 3 pieces of salmon skin on with some salt and freshly ground black pepper. Repeat the same on the other side. Next, we are going to fry this salmon. The skillet is now ready, nice and hot. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add salmon with the skin on down. Gently press down the salmon so that the skin will be cooked evenly. Fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown. For other ingredients that you will need for this recipe, 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Since garlic is the star of the dish, using a generous amount ensures that the butter becomes fully infused with that rich, savory garlic flavors, not just a hint of it. Feel free to adjust the garlic to your liking. A handful of parsley, finely chopped. This will add a light, fresh, slightly peppery note that cuts through the richness of the butter and salmon, keeping the dish from tasting heavy. 1 lemon juice. This gives the dish a refreshing, clean finish that keeps each bite light and enjoyable. And the last ingredient is 4 tablespoons of butter. We are using grass-fed butter here because it's creamier and gives more flavor to the dish. It's been 5 minutes now. I am going to flip. Looks beautiful, golden brown and crispy. Cook another 4 minutes. I have to press down the salmon so that it cooks evenly. It's been 4 minutes now. The salmon is done, and we are going to transfer it to a plate. On the same skillet, add butter, garlic, saute the garlic for about 15 seconds or so to release the aroma and the flavor. Okay, the garlic is ready. Add lemon juice. Increase the heat to high to bring this to a boil. Add some parsley. And now we are going to return the salmon back to the skillet. I am going to baste this salmon with the aromatic butter. This butter garlic salmon is ready. It comes out beautifully golden and lightly crisp on the outside, while the inside stays tender, juicy, and perfectly flaky. It's perfectly paired with both mashed potato and steamed rice. I wish you could smell this. The aroma of rich butter, savory garlic, and fresh herb fills the air, hinting a dish that's indulgent, perfectly balanced, and irresistible delicious. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and share it with your families and friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss my next upload. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.